Cooking black rice can be frustrating. Undercooked grains, mushy texture, or even a burnt bottom. Sound familiar? The right rice cooker can mean the difference between a perfect meal and a kitchen disaster. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 rice cookers that handle black rice like a pro. Check the description for product links and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Aroma Housewares digital rice cooker. This compact, affordable cooker can handle anywhere from 2 to 8 cups of rice, perfect for small families or meal prep. It's designed with easy-to-use digital controls, making it simple for anyone to get the job done without overcomplicating things. And if you're someone who loves multitasking, you'll appreciate the steam tray that allows you to cook veggies while the rice is going, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. But here's the thing. It's not all smooth sailing. While it comes with dedicated settings for white and brown rice, there's no preset for black rice. That means you'll need to experiment a bit with water ratios and cooking times to get it just right. On the bright side, the non-stick inner pot makes cleanup a breeze, though some users have noted that the coating can wear down after several months of regular use. Another thing to keep in mind, the lid design isn't ideal. It tends to collect condensation, which can drip onto your counter when opened. And the keep warm function, while handy, tends to run a little hot, sometimes leaving a crispy layer at the bottom if left on for too long. For the price, this rice cooker does its job without breaking the bank. It's lightweight, budget-friendly, and perfect for those who just need a simple, reliable cooker. But if you cook black rice regularly, you might want to consider investing in a model with more precise settings. At number 4, the Tiger JBV A10U rice cooker truly stands out with its unique Top Cook feature. This feature lets you cook rice and a main dish at the same time, without flavors mixing. If you're juggling meal prep in a busy kitchen, this is a real game changer. It comes with 4 cooking settings, including plain rice, brown rice, and even a slow cook option, giving you versatility for all kinds of meals. Plus, the non-stick inner pan makes cleaning up afterward easy and hassle-free. Now, let's talk about black rice. You'll need to use the brown rice setting, and you'll likely have to adjust the water ratio a bit to get it just right. But be prepared. The cooking cycle can take up to 90 minutes, which is longer than you might expect for black rice. And the inner pot markings? They're not the clearest, so you'll need to pay attention when measuring the water. A couple of small drawbacks. The condensation collector fills up quickly, so you'll need to empty it frequently while cooking. Also, the power cord is a bit on the short side, limiting where you can place it in your kitchen. The control panel buttons require a firm press, so don't expect them to respond with a light touch. On the bright side, the keep warm function keeps rice quality intact for about 6 hours, which is pretty impressive. After that, the texture does start to change, but overall, it holds up well. If you're cooking for just 2 to 3 people and love the convenience of preparing everything at once, this model is a solid option. Just remember, it takes up more counter space than similar-sized cookers, so be sure you have room. At number 3, we have the Yum Asia Panda Mini Rice Cooker. If you're working with a small kitchen, this compact design and modern LED display are a perfect fit. Don't let the small size fool you, though. It's packed with fuzzy logic technology that fine-tunes temperature and timing to ensure your rice is cooked perfectly every time. Curious about cooking black rice? The Panda Mini does a great job when you use the brown rice setting, though adding a few extra minutes to the cooking time can help improve the texture. The ceramic-coated inner bowl ensures even heating and prevents rice from sticking, but it's a delicate feature. Handle it with care to avoid scratches. Now, a couple of quirks to consider. The control panel symbols aren't the most intuitive, so you might find yourself keeping the manual nearby when you first use it. Some users have also noted that the steam vent occasionally sprays a bit of water onto the counter, which could be annoying. And the beeping notifications are loud, with no way to adjust or mute them, something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to sound. On the plus side, storage is a breeze thanks to the detachable power cord, and the included accessories are of solid quality. Just note that replacement parts can be a bit tricky to find, so keep that in mind down the road. So is this mini rice cooker a good fit for you? If you're cooking for 1 or 2 people and love the idea of precise temperature control for specialty rice, the Yum Asia Panda Mini could be the perfect pick. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Taking the number 2 spot, we have the CUCKOO CRP P1009SB rice cooker. With an impressive 13 cooking modes and a massive 20-cup capacity, this cooker is a game changer for anyone who cooks for larger groups or loves to experiment with different dishes. And let's talk about the voice navigation. It's a fun, futuristic feature, but honestly, some might find it a bit more of a novelty than a necessity. Curious about black rice? This cooker handles it like a pro. Thanks to its pressure cooking capability, this feature is perfect for dense grains like black rice, but keep in mind, the cooking time is a little longer compared to regular rice. The clear inner pot markings make measuring the water simple, so you don't have to second-guess the ratios. A couple of things to consider. The pressure gasket requires regular cleaning to maintain a good seal, and the unit itself is on the larger side, and so it will take up some serious counter space. The soft steam release system works well, but cleaning the lid by hand can be a bit of a hassle. On the bright side, this rice cooker nails temperature accuracy and delivers great consistency with every use. The fuzzy logic technology might overcomplicate some basic tasks, but if you love precision, it's worth the learning curve. Plus, the automatic cleaning function makes upkeep a breeze, though you may find yourself referring to the manual until you get familiar with the control panel. Claiming the top spot is the Zojirushi NSZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. This powerhouse is a game changer in the kitchen, thanks to its advanced fuzzy logic technology that automatically adjusts cooking parameters for the best possible results. And the spherical inner pan ensures even heat distribution, which is especially crucial for cooking the dense texture of black rice. What's the secret to perfect black rice? This model consistently delivers using the brown rice setting with just a slight water adjustment. The extended keep warm function keeps your rice at the perfect texture without it drying out. Plus, with multiple menu settings, this cooker isn't just limited to black rice. It can handle a variety of grains effortlessly. A couple of things to note. The cooking cycle for black rice does take a little longer, usually over an hour. The control panel is packed with features, but requires some practice to get the hang of. And while the retractable cord is super convenient, it does feel a bit flimsy compared to the solid build of the cooker. On the plus side, this cooker delivers consistent results with specialty rice varieties and offers precise temperature control, making it a top choice for those who want perfect rice every time. It is on the pricier side though, and the 5.5 cup capacity might not be enough for larger households. Also, remember to clean the inner lid thoroughly after each use to avoid any odor buildup. Your ideal black rice cooker depends on your kitchen needs and budget. If this helped in your decision-making, hit like and subscribe for more appliance reviews. Be sure to check the description for current prices and detailed product info. See you in the next video.